Hey, welcome back. So if you've been following along with the ongoing videos that I'm producing for my 62 pickup, which is what playlist this is going to be in, you'll know that I'm doing a power brake and disc brake conversion on it. Last weekend, I got a power brake booster and brake setup, pulled it off of a 1-ton pickup because apparently it converts. But it was all fine and dandy until it got bolted up and it didn't work. So now I'm back here pulling brake parts off of a 1/2-ton pickup, so hopefully it works. Tag along to find out. Ouch. Mother son of a... Wow, that hurt. Alright, so here we are under the hood of my pickup. Let's grab that brake booster and put it on, see if it bolts up. Likelihood of it going, not super high, but I'm keeping faith. Okie dokie. Got the brake booster here. Let's get that bolt out of it. Here we are. This is how it always goes. Everything's a hammer, except a hammer. Okay, let's climb up in here. If only I had more headroom in here to work. I mean, it's not like I'm a super tall guy. Not saying that I'm short either. Well, it's not gonna go, so we're gonna have to change something. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I'm back. Got a crescent wrench, probably not gonna need that, but this is the tool right here, a socket. 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch socket to get the bracket off the firewall. We're gonna have to modify it a little bit. Okay, fun thing about working in tight spaces, you can get about 1 click at a time on a socket. So the bolt takes 18 years to get out. I'll see you in 18. Got it off. Okay, so I'll give you a little peek at what's going on here that is the difference. So you got this main bracket right here. It's like, shoot, it's almost like 1/4 inch steel. No, it's about 1/8. Yeah, 1/8 inch steel. And I've modified it right here. This piece goes to the firewall. As you can see, I came in here and I notched it out on the ends. Those used to be solid. Came in and notched it out with an angle grinder because the bolt pattern on the firewall was about that much bigger. So notched it out, it bolts right up. With a washer, perfectly fine. So the difference with the 1/2 ton is that it didn't have this mechanism in here. So I gotta take that out and then it should fit. Okay, pardon the messy hair. I need a haircut. I haven't found time to go to the barber shop to get a haircut, so this is what we're stuck with. So, with the pickup, we've ran into a little bit of a problem. Not that hard. Of course, nothing's going to bolt together, but I'll turn you around so you can get a better look at what's going on. So right here, see down there where I augured the firewall out a little bit, just a little bit right in there? Well, I got to do the same thing up there so it fits. All right, so once we get the firewall augured out, well, I'm going to get an angle grinder and cut it just to make a little room for the rod. The rod's a little bit short, so I'm going to have to modify the pedal a bit. So I'm going to make an extension, most likely, to go from the pedal to the rod, the push rod, and then it should work from there. Well, I messed up. When using the angle grinder, and it's going to cost me a little bit. This is a lesson learned. It's going to cost me a little bit of money, and I'm not too happy about it. So I'll give you a good look here. So right there is where I was trying to auger out the firewall. Well, let's just take a look up here. Yeah, those are wires, and I cut them. So guess what? In addition to being a brake mechanic, I get to hopefully try to fix the wiring harness for the engine, and instead of buy it, because I really don't want to buy a engine harness, or an engine wiring harness.